In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we have commenced the chapter, and it is about syntax. In syntax, I told you that it is the study of the structure of the sentence, that how a sentence is structured. It is the study of the organization of the sentence, that how a sentence is organized. It is the study of the formation of the sentence, that how a sentence is formed. In syntax, I also told you that what is the formation of a phrase or how a phrase is formed. Day before yesterday, we talked about replacement of a phrase, meaning of a phrase. Today, we are going to talk about movement in a phrase structure. Before going to start this, let me connect this topic with the previous one. As I told you that sometime a sentence, it has dual meanings. Sometime a sentence has two structures. Sometime a sentence has ambiguity. Why a sentence has ambiguity? It is because of two different organizations. It is because of two different structures. And I told you that in order to identify a phrase, we can replace a single word by a phrase. Or we can replace a phrase by a single word, which I told you that would be it. And I presented one example, that I was reading a letter to Aslam. So I told you that I was reading a letter to Aslam. You just replace the whole phrase by one word, which is it. I was reading it. Today, we are going to talk about the next test and the syntax, that is movement in phrase structure. You know, whenever we are talking about the phrase is actually a chunk of words which can move from one place into another, according to this topic. And we can also say that phrase is actually a box of words within a sentence which can move and pick up from one place and to another place. And it is a series of words, it is a sequence of words. So, in this topic, I'm going to teach you that a phrase can move from one place into another. So, if a sequence of words, a series of words, or a chunk of words, and if they can move from one place into another, it means that it is a phrase. Let me repeat the previous examples. For example, I was reading the letter to Aslam. As I told you that the letter to Aslam, it is a phrase, it is a single phrase, and it can be two phrases as well. However, now I'm talking about the first phrase, that the letter to Aslam, it is a phrase. So, I know that this is a phrase. Why? Because it can be picked up from one place into another within a sentence, or it can be moved from one place into another. Let me write it practically. The letter to Aslam. So now you see clearly in this example, the letter to Aslam, this is a phrase. So it can be placed. The return to Aslam was being read. So this is the phrase which move, yes, from one place of the sentence to another when I change the sentence into text wise. So hope that this topic is clear to you. And the coming lecture we will try to talk about that one phrase can have another phrase, or there may be another phrase in a sentence. So listeners and audience, hope that this topic is clear to you. At the end, you are requested to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.